Alright guys, we got a 2018 GMC Denali. It's a 6.2, lowered, front diffuser on it. He's got on-tube headers, high flow cats, stainless system, which is a stainless works system. There it is. True dual. On the way up into the mufflers. And then what we did was we redid the 3-inch tailpipes. Gave him space so he could put a spare tire up there as well. And then ran it out to the back. Some black tips. Looks clean, looks nice. So, we'll let you guys hear it. You guys like, comment, and subscribe. Extremely loud. We'll let you guys hear it on the stainless works mids, and then we did 3-inch tailpipes.